Hi, this is Andy Quick. Welcome to a short training video on how to create a robot in Automation Anywhere. In this video, we'll introduce the concept of the task editor and create a bot that does a simple command that just tells you hello world. So I go into my main Automation Anywhere client that I've started. I click on New. I choose Task Editor. And this will open the task editor. And this is really the canvas that you use to build your bot. It takes a moment to load. And this is the task editor. So if this is the first time you're building a bot, this white space is sort of your canvas where you'll build your bot. On the left side are a list of commands. Notice some of the commands have a plus by them. If they do have a plus by them, it expands to show additional information. But these are the commands that are actually used to create the script or the robot. And in my example, I'm going to pick one command, and you'll see that the creation of your robot works pretty much the same way in terms of dragging over commands and dropping them onto the canvas, and then you configure the command. So unlike traditional coding where you're typing in words, you're really just dragging commands over and configuring them. So I'm going to go to message box and I drag that over. Actually, let me slow down. I'm holding down my left mouse button, I'm dragging it across, I drop it in, and it then brings up this dialog that's specific to the message box. So every command that exists in Automation Anywhere, when you drag the command over to the task editor screen, it has a different set of configuration options. So in this case, it's a message box, which is going to show a box with a message in it. It has a caption. This is a default caption that it puts in, but I can type over it and say hello. And the message I can say, good afternoon and welcome to Automation Anywhere. Okay. There's some other options. If you have a very long message, you can have a scroll bar. You can also automatically close the message after a certain number of seconds. So the message will appear, you put the number of seconds, it'll automatically close. Otherwise, it will prompt you for an OK button to close it. I'm going to click Save. Notice that it dropped one command, and it begins with the number 1. It has a little icon for the type of command, and then it says message box. Before you can run your bot, you have to save it. So I'm going to click Saved. And I'm going to call this test. I already had a test file, so it says you're about to overwrite, so I'm going to click yes. I'm then going to run. And there it is. Notice that the small window popped up, the runtime window. This basically tells you as it's running what line in your script that it's on. So in this example, there's only one line, the message box, so it says line 1 of 2. If I had had 10 lines of code, it would have said 1 of 10, 2 of 10, etc. It tells you what action is being performed. It's kind of paused right now because the processing is interrupted with the message box, and you can see the caption hello, which is what I typed, and good afternoon and welcome to Automation Anywhere. So this is a message box, and this is just a super simple bot that just teaches you how the task editor, the basic look and feel of the task editor, and how to drag and drop a command over. Thank you.